The last area of the herency card we're going to play with is IK. What we've been doing so far is being known as forward kinematics, whereas if I affect the parent, all the children go with it. Now, inverse kinematics is exactly the opposite. I affect the child and the parents immediately rotate and move themselves into the correct position. So all we have to do to bring this into effect is I invert the IK. Now if I move the parent, everything goes with it. But now if I move the child, here you can see that the chain is bending, twisting and rotating to sort of take on a very fluent motion of what's going on there. So what this area allows us to do is to manipulate these joints. So once I've built up the linkage information, we can go in here and we can control various aspects of that linkage information, like how much each joint can actually rotate. We can put limits, say to and from. We can actually limit the movement of a joint. On rotation, we can do the same for sliding. If a joint was a sliding joint, we can tell the joint to be the terminator, and so on. So it's very important when doing IK animations to understand how to manipulate these joint controls and exactly how manipulating these joint controls is going to affect your overall animation. So it's very worth learning this panel, and you can find various bits of information on the internet and under the help menu to help you along with inverse kinematics.